Let's begin. If Bitcoin is truth encoded in time, and the node is the body that breathes that truth into the world, a block is found, a pulse runs through the network, silent, invisible, absolute. Each node receives the message, verifies it, and sends it onward. No permission, no command, just a living rhythm of consensus, a heartbeat made of code. This is the first lesson of the hardware frontier. Truth must live somewhere. It cannot float as abstraction forever. It must inhabit metal, memory, electricity. Or else it fades into myth without muscle. In Bitcoin, the node is that incarnation, a simple machine performing a sacred act, listening, checking, refusing to lie. Every 10 minutes, the pulse renews. Blocks travel across continents, through routers, cables, radio waves, and satellites. 1,000 machines whisper the same word, verified. By the way, I hope everyone had a fantastic weekend. I know I did. Technically, a full node does one thing that defines the whole order. It enforces the rules, not the miner, not the exchange, not the government. The node alone decides what is Bitcoin. It's not a computer, it's a witness, a judge that cannot be bribed because its loyalty belongs to the code itself. Each node runs the full chain of history. Every transaction ever made, every covenant ever signed. It doesn't trust, it verifies. And in that verification, sovereignty becomes more than belief. It becomes structure. Imagine the old monasteries, hidden in mountains, lit by candlelight. Monks copied manuscripts for centuries, preserving words through invasion, fire, and decay. Each manuscript a node, each scribe a witness. Now, these days, the monasteries hum with electric silence. Raspberry Pis instead of parchment. Hard drives instead of scrolls. But the principle remains the same. Or, as the great Led Zepp said, the song remains the same. Those who keep the record keep the world. To run a node is to accept this quiet duty, to say, I will not outsource truth. I will store the chain myself. I will host the code, not just believe in it. I will join the living body that keeps the flame alive. In the Greek world, the logos was not just word, it was structure, rhythm, order. For the Germanic, the world tree, Yggdrasil, carried all realms in one living network. And for the Christian, The Word became flesh. Truth incarnated to dwell among us. Bitcoin is a new logos, the word written in hashes. Each node is a branch of the tree, each checksum a leaf shimmering with proof. The network breathes, synchronizes, renews, and through it, a civilization begins to remember what continuity feels like. Now, technically speaking, every node is equal. No hierarchy, no master switch. This is decentralization not as slogan, but as topology. Every point in the network is both listener and speaker, a self-sufficient organism in a distributed body. This is the miracle of Bitcoin's design. It doesn't need faith in institutions. It builds faith through verification. Coffee's real good today, by the way. When you run a node, you become part of the chain's immune system. You replicate the genome of truth, and in doing so, you protect not just your coins, but the integrity of time itself. So, as the fiat world spins deeper into simulation, remember, truth has a pulse. You can feel it if you listen. It sounds like the hum of a Raspberry Pi, the whisper of data through fiber, the quiet discipline of continuity. Run your node, keep the record, protect the flame. Because in this age, sovereignty isn't only belief, it's bandwidth, storage, and uptime. The signal made flesh, the word made machine.